How can we test people's concerns about the behavioral impacts of technologies? Researchers often respond to public fears about technology with research that tests the effects of a system within the general population. Community science is one powerful way to answer those questions. At the Citizens and Technology Lab and elsewhere, volunteers now routinely alert researchers about possible problems, coordinate measurement, and also test interventions independently from industry. Yet even community science tends to focus on average treatment effects within a population. It's common to have situations where technology does not have a measurable effect on average because people on the margins experience large positive or negative effects when a technology engages in discrimination or when people's circumstances and contexts are different. In situations of inequality, the large positive or negative effects at the margins can mislead decision makers that a technology is benign. In the 1950s, anti-eugenicist biostatistician Lancelot Hogben argued that this tyranny of averages was a problem and formalized the N of 1 trial in response. These experiments are randomized trials conducted by an individual person or community, randomly assigning interventions to different parts of their life, different days of the week, different treatments, different parts of their network, sometimes over hundreds of different interventions. Participants also take regular measurements and estimate the treatment effect within their own life. These trials provide personalized causal estimates with strong external validity and can also be analyzed for patterns in populations too. Our paper is a research infrastructure systems paper, a genre in computer science that uses the design of a software system as a form of intellectual inquiry to explore important ideas about software, data, and society. These papers outline a knowledge creation challenge, summarize key values, relate the history of attempts to solve this problem, describe design considerations for anyone designing such a system, report on the design of a novel research system of our own, report on its use in a study, and finish off with lessons for the design and use of similar systems. We developed this research when creating Conjecture, software that supports people to conduct N of 1 trials in our own digital lives. This software supports every part of the process, from sign up and beginning at any time to carrying out the procedure, collating data, and receiving results when the study is finished. In the paper, we describe using Conjecture to conduct the Gray Phone Challenge to study public concerns about screen colors and phone addiction. The Gray Phone Challenge supported people to sign up, start an N of 1 trial, receive results, and see how the effects in their lives compare to others. Our paper shares lessons for future N of 1 trials in tech accountability, alongside lessons for the design of other systems like it. For more information about N of 1 trials, their history, and their potential in tech accountability, check out the full paper or our longer video. Thanks.